Okay, now it's your turn. Here are 7 examples that you can practice. If it were me, I would make sure I could do all 7 of them. Together we will do number 1, and we'll go ahead and do, that's an addition, and so we'll go ahead and do number 3. So pause the video, do number 1 and number 3, and we'll come back and check your work. All right, I'm going to move it a little bit. Let's see how we did. 5 over x plus 2, don't have a lot of room, so I'm going to cram it in right here. If I'm going to add, that means I have to have both things on the bottom because those two don't match. So x plus 2, x minus 2, and 3 over x plus 2 and x minus 2. So the first one needs x minus 2, so that's 5x minus 10, so that's gone as I distribute. And this one needs the x plus 2, so that's 3x plus 6. When I add the parts together, it's all going to be over x plus 2, x minus 2. So I'm going to have 8x minus 4 over x plus 2, x minus 2. I bet you got that one. Let's try number 8, or excuse me, number 3 real quick. In this one, I already see that I can factor 15. Ooh, they're different signs, and they multiply 15, so that's a plus and a minus. Minus 3, let's see, 5 times 3. So that's the minus 2. There it is, it's factored. Over 4 times 8 over y plus 3. How did I know? Well, notice this y plus 3 goes away with that. So if I look carefully, I bet one of those factors is going to be the y plus 3 so that it disappears. I also see that 4 goes into 8 2 times. So I have 2 times y minus 5, or I can multiply through, which would be 2y minus 10 over, everything's marked out, so it's 2y minus 10 is my answer. If I want to leave it factored, 2 times y minus 5, that's fine. 2 parentheses y minus 5. Either way, I bet you got those. Again, I would go back and see if I could work all of these problems just to make sure I know how to manipulate and solve rational expressions. Remember, the rules are different for addition compared to things like division. In division, you're going to take that and you're going to put it you're going to flip it over so that becomes 1 over that, and you mark things out as you go. In addition and subtraction, the bottom of the fraction has to be the same, so you have to make them the same and then add across the top. All right, good luck. If you have questions, find somebody and give you a little extra help, but I bet you can get them on your own.